Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss short stories. So what is that short story? Short stories can be funny, exciting or even surprising. Any element can be there. You can write about something that happened to you or to someone you know. You can even write a story that you make up yourself. Means you can write from your own also. Whatever you think, whatever is in your mind, you can pen them down. So there are 5 elements in a short story. What are they? First one is character. So a character is a person, or sometimes it could be an animal, who takes part in the action of a short story. And short stories use few characters. There are not many characters in the short stories, right? And the second element of the short story is setting. The setting of a short story is the time and place in which it happened, right? Means particular day, particular date, anything. Then third element is plot. A plot is a series of events and character actions that relate to the central conflict. The plot has a beginning, middle and end. So whenever we start writing a story, it has a beginning, a middle and of course an ending too, right? And then the fourth element is conflict. The conflict is a struggle between two people or two things in a short story. And then is theme. The theme is the central idea or belief in a short story. And students, when we start writing a short story, we can add pictures also, a visual also, which attracts the attention of the readers, right? So sometimes picture prompts or illustrations or photographs are used to convey the storyline. These eye-catching images immediately grab the reader's attention. They attract the attention of the readers and convey the message quickly. Therefore, visuals are better at relating the story, right? It makes the story perfect than the written words only. So students, you can see here we have been given some pictures. Write a short story of about 100 to 120 words based on the following pictures, right? So some pictures have been given here. You can see here 3 men are sitting here. They all are having fishing rods in their hands. It means they are sitting on a river bank, right? And they are trying to catch the fish. So after taking the hints from these pictures, we can develop a story. We can write the names of the persons, and you can see with the help of these pictures we can develop a very nice story, right? We can give them their names. We can write one day or one evening or one morning, the 3 persons. We can give them a relation also, means ki one you can see is an elderly figure in the story. It could be a grandfather, then next his son, and then this boy is the grandson of this elderly figure, right? So this way we can give them relation, right? And then after looking at the pictures given below, we can develop the story to further, right? So here students, you can see below are given some hints. With the help of these hints, you can write your story. Where are they? What are they doing? What has the man caught? Why is the old man very excited? And why has the little boy a sad look on his face? So By reading these hints and by giving answer of these hints, by thinking of the answers of these hints, you can develop your story. Thank you.